Hello everyone, welcome to the 1086 series. This is actually going to be my last video in this series. It's going to obviously be a little bit out of order because I'm going to show the great reveal before this, but the tractor is as done as I'm going to make it. There is still a few leaks. The steering motor still leaks, and then the remote valves, where the valve stack is under the cab, needs some O-rings. And then the oil plug gasket needs to be replaced. That obviously you'll just do on the next oil change. The oil filter base still leaks a little bit, even after new gaskets and everything. And then I think the valve cover is probably weeping a little bit. But you know what? It's an old tractor. It's going to have those leaks. So we're going to leave it at that. There really isn't a whole lot of point in putting a bunch more time into chasing after some of that stuff. But we do a little bit of cleaning up on the interior. Use maybe some paint sticks to hold the headliner up in some places. And the wife's looking at making a seat cover for the seat bottom because that was tore off and the foam is exposed. And I'm afraid if we just leave the foam like that, the foam's going to get tore up pretty quick. But anyways, guys, I really appreciate you following me through this series. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, you'll see this after Dad gets the tractor, but we're taking it to him this weekend, and I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited for him to see it. So if you guys have any questions at all about any of the work that I did, any place that I may have gotten parts from or anything like that, throw it down in the comments. Otherwise, like I said, thanks for watching, and check back for the next series. I'm not sure. I got a couple old snowmobiles that I've got to come into the shop. And a few other projects that have to get done. So there'll be more to come. So thanks, guys.